How to render videos in Capcut. Let's get started. How to render video in Capcut. As you can see, the yellow line shows that our video is not render, and it might be not played properly when we export or download our video. So make our video render, we have to select our whole clip like this. And then right click of the mouse and render a position, then click on select the whole time a position line like this and wait until your video render completely. Here is the timing shows that how much your video is render now. This blue line shows that your video is rendering and it's in the processing. Wait until the whole timeline turned into blue line. If you like the video, then subscribe to my channel. Now you can see that almost all the timeline turned into the blue line. It means our video is render now. And now we can export our video without any problems.